What's the meaning of cheery? Cheery. Cheery.
Cheery. Cheery. The word cheery is an adjective that describes a person or thing that is happy, bright, and positive in attitude or appearance. A cheery person may have a cheerful disposition or a sunny outlook on life, while a cheery object might be brightly colored or adorned with cheerful designs. The word cheery can also refer to a sound or noise that is pleasing or bright, such as the cheery chirping of birds in the morning. Overall, cheery connotes a sense of positivity, brightness, and joy in both people and things.